Hello friends, welcome to our course of solution YouTube channel. Here we are going to learn how you can make authorization system without any gates and policy. Okay, so first of all you have to install a fresh Laravel, and here you can see I have already installed the Laravel. Okay, so first of all we have to create the migrations. Okay, so PHP tsoon make migration. It's a migration. This one is make. Okay, so you can do properly make migration, and migration is create role table, create roles. Okay, and here you can see we have already users table, users migration, so we don't need to create again. And the next thing is just create a role user migration. So table name is role user. Okay, and we have already a user model, so we need a role model. Okay, so PHP artisan make model, and the model is role. Okay, so model is created successfully, and we have the migrations. So just do one thing, run the command PHP artisan migrate to generate the table. Okay, but to do this, first of all you have to create the fields. Okay, so now I'm going to create the fields, and here you can see I have a role field, role migration file. In role migration file I have to put two more fields. First field is role, sorry, this is string, and this is role field. The next field is our permission fields. Okay, so this is text, and the name is permissions. Okay, so this is our role user migration file, and here we are going to just put the role ID and user ID. Okay, because we have a table of user and role, and the other table is user role user table, where we can put the user ID belongs the role ID. Okay, so in this authorization we have multiple roles. Okay, means one user have multiple roles. Okay, now I think this is clear for you. Okay, so this is integer because user ID is integer, and just put the user ID. Okay, and the other is our role ID. Okay, do the same thing like user ID. Okay, but this is another way to do this. It's very this is very professional way, and you can do this. You can do only this, and you can do one more thing. Just see our table, and this is foreign. Okay, the foreign key is our user ID, and the reference and the references. Okay, and this references is ID, and the table is on users table. Okay, let's copy and paste it and change the foreign key. This is role ID and this one is ID on roles. Okay, now let's save it. I think we have created the model. We have filled the migrations file. Now migrate. Okay, and you can see this is showing the error, and the error base table of view already exists. Table roles already exist. Okay. Run the command, and you can see migration table. The authorization. Syntax error or access version 106 we have in S. Check the manual that corresponds. Okay guys, the problem was I have misspelled the references. The E was missing, and I can see I have typed the correct spelling, and now I'm going to migrate the command, and you can see the migration table created successfully. Okay, and in our database, this is our database, and you can this structure, and you can see this is our roles table. Okay, and this is our role user table, and this is the foreign keys. Okay, so we have finished the table sections, and this is our models. Now what we have to do, we have to provide the connections. So in this authorization we are going to use many to many relations, because one user have many roles. Okay, so what we have to do, just type the public function and this is our role model. So we have to create the user. Okay, so now we are going to make relation with the role and user. So the belongs to many and user class. Okay, good. Just return it. Copy it and on page user I just paste it, and now we are going to make the connection with the role in user. Just change the class as role. Okay, save it. Now we have successfully created the connections with role and user under role and user table. Okay, in next section we are going to create the authentication. Okay, so till then, goodbye, have a good day, and you can say have a good night. Wait, let me before finish this video, let me show you what we did. Okay, so here you can see we have two users, the John and the Jane, and we have two roles. One is author and the second is admin, and this is our role user table. And you can see user ID have role 1 and the user ID 1 have role 2. Okay, so this is our so PHP now type app role find and user, and you can see this is our pivot table, and the role ID 1 and the user ID 2 means user ID 2 have the role 1 and the role 1 is our author, and user is Jane means Jane is author. Okay, same as it is you can find by user and find suppose user 2, so user 2 role, and you can see user 2 is author and this is user ID 2 and role 1. Okay, so, that means what we did in this video, it's absolutely working fine. In next video we will make the authentication with the PHP make auth. Okay, so goodbye, have a good day, and please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.